Hi friends, in this video we will discuss 7th lab program, that is Java program to implement Dijastra's algorithm. As you all know that Dijastra's algorithm is used for finding single source shortest path from the given source vertex to all the remaining vertices. Then here is the program. Then starts with a main program, public static void main string args. Then declare one variable as integer n. Next system.out.println, enter the number of nodes or vertices in a graph and read it by using n is equal to in.next integer. Next create one object dk for a class Dijastra's algorithm as Dijastra's dk is equal to new Dijastra's algorithm with a number of nodes as a n. When you create this class as a dk, immediately the class the constructor Dijastra's algorithm will be get called and it will initialize some values like number of nodes is equal to n, minimum cost equal to 0, then visited nodes equal to new integer n plus 1, then the initial cost matrix is equal to new integer n plus 1 into n plus 1, and the distance between all the vertices is new integer n plus 1. Then next make call to the function read matrix. Read matrix will read the distance matrix or cost matrix for given graph. That is, when you execute the function read matrix, first it will display enter the cost matrix and use the value 999 if there is no direct edge from one vertex to another vertex. Then by using this for loop for integer I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to nodes I plus plus. For integer j is equal to 1, j is less than or equal to nodes j plus plus. Enter the cost matrix value as cost of ij equal to in into next integer. Also read the source node or the source vertex from which you want to calculate the shortest path for all possible paths for remaining vertices. That is, source is equal to in dot next integer. Then initially you don't know what is the distance, then you have to initialize all the visited values are 0 and also the distance of the source node or the source vertex is 0. Then next call to the actual function called as Dijastra's that will find out all the possible paths by using object name as dk.Dijastra's. Then here this function will be get executed as void Dijastra's. Then initial declare two variables as minimum and u is equal to 0, where u is the nearest node that you are using or that you are connecting to the source vertex. Then say that initially visited source is equal to 1. Then for integer I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to nodes I plus plus, initialize minimum value is equal to 999. Then for integer j is equal to 1, j is less than or equal to nodes j plus plus. If the visited j, that is the next node, is equal to 0 and distance of j is minimum less than minimum, then minimum is equal to distance of j and initialize u is equal to j. Then by this you are visited to next node. Then find out the distance between two nodes u and j by already the node u is visited, so visited u is equal to 1. Then for integer j is equal to 1, j is less than or equal to nodes j plus plus. If the visited j is equal to 0 and distance of u plus cost of uj is less than distance of j, then distance of j is equal to distance of u plus cost of uj. Then By executing this algorithm or this function, you will find out all the possible shortest path from single source to all the remaining vertices. Then next, display the output from source vertex to all the remaining vertices with the possible distance. That is system.out.println shortest path single source all nodes as below. System.out.println display the source value and the node value. For integer I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to nodes, I plus plus system.out.println source I to distance I. Then let us see how to execute this given program. For this, assume you have given one graph with 4 vertices as 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the corresponding distance between these vertices as distance between 1 to 2 is 2, from 1 to 3 is 5, from 2 to 3 is 1, and from 3 to 4 is 8. But for your program, it is not possible to directly provide this graph as an input for your program. That's why first convert this graph into its equivalent distance matrix or a cost matrix as shown in this cost matrix. Let's see how I can convert this given graph into a cost matrix by this diagram. Then say that 4 vertices are there, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then generate the cost matrix like the distance from 1 to 1 is 0, the distance from 1 to 2 is 2, the distance from 1 to 3 is 5, and there is no direct edge from 1 to 4. That's why consider the distance between 1 to 4 is 999. Similarly, the distance between 2 to 1 is 2, 2 to 2 is 0, 2 to 3 is 1, and there is no direct edge from 2 to 4. That's why consider distance as 999. Similarly, the distance between 3 to 1 from the node 3 to 1 is 5, from node 3 to 2 is 1, from 3 to 3 it is 0, and from 3 to 4 it is 8. Also, the distance from node 4 to 1 is 999 because there is no direct edge from node 4 to node 1. That's why the distance is 999. Also, the distance between node 4 to 2 is 999 because again there is no direct edge between 4 to 2. Also, the distance from 4 to 3 is 8 and distance from 4 to 4 is 0. This is how to convert any given graph into a cost matrix, and now use this cost matrix as a input to execute your given program. Then by this you will clear that you have a graph with the maximum number of nodes or vertices or 4, and you have to consider the vertex 1 as the source vertex. You have to provide this cost matrix as a input for your program. Number of nodes are 4 and the source vertex as a 1. Then let us see your given example. Here number of nodes are 4. Enter the cost matrix and 999 if it is infinity. Cost matrix as 0, 2, 5, 999, 2, 0, 1, 999, 5, 1, 0, 8 and 999, 999, 8, 0. Then next enter the source node from which you want to calculate all shortest path for all the remaining vertices. Here the source node is 1. Then here you will get the shortest path from the source vertex 1 to all the remaining vertices. That is, from the source 1 to 1 distance is 0, from the node 1 to 2 the shortest path is 2, from node 1 to 3 shortest distance is 3, and from node 1 to 4 shortest path is 11 or the shortest distance is 11. This is how to execute your program.